Hi there. Today I'm showing you one of those little Google Contacts tricks that will tidy things up in seconds. So if your contacts list looks like a jumble of slightly different versions of the same person, don't worry. Google's got a built-in fixer for that and it's super simple. First up, open up your Google Contacts. You can get there a few different ways, so you can type contacts.google.com into your browser, or the quickest way is if you're in Gmail, then press G, then C on your keyboard, and it'll open Contacts in a new tab. So once you're in Contacts, over on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option called Merge and Fix. Click that, and Google will instantly scan your contacts for anything that looks like a duplicate. Same name, same email, same phone number, that kind of thing. You'll now see a list of suggestions. Now don't worry, Google won't merge anything without you checking it first. Click on a suggestion and it'll show you exactly what it's found side by side. You can see both versions of the contact and what will be kept. If the suggestion looks good, just click on Merge. But if Google has repeated the same suggestion twice or it's not actually a duplicate, then you can click Dismiss instead. You're in full control. Nothing sneaky happens behind your back. And if you're feeling brave or your contacts list is in a bit of a wild state, then you can click Merge All at the top. This will merge every suggested duplicate in one go. Now, most of the time it's totally fine, but I like to quickly scan the list first, just in case Google decides two very different Marys are actually one very confused Mary. And that's it. Duplicates are gone and you're left with a tidy contacts list. Now this takes most people less than a minute and it just keeps everything cleaner when you're emailing or syncing contacts with your phone. So if you found this helpful, please give it a like and remember that sharing is caring. And if there's anything in Google Workspace that's been bugging you for a while, just drop a comment and I'll add it to my list of upcoming video tutorials. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.